We are Induction Professionals. Company Overview. Induction Professionals, LLC was founded in July 2002. Our mission has always been to deliver high-quality induction heating and melting equipment to the metal processing industries throughout North America and the EU. Based in Youngstown, Ohio, Induction Professionals designs and builds new induction heating and melting equipment and provides repair services for customers' existing equipment. In 2007, due to growth, we centralized our operations within a new 9,500 square foot facility located near major transportation arteries for shipping efficiency. The building was configured specifically to service induction heating and melting equipment. In addition to repairing and supplying equipment, we offer a broad range of design services and application-specific consulting and engineering services. We continuously focus these capabilities to provide the best product at the best price in a timely manner to offer increased value and service to our customers. Our backgrounds allow us to offer problem-solving capabilities unique and rare to the induction industry. Our sales and engineering staff have well over 100 years of combined experience. Our production staff is skilled, innovative, and experienced. We care about our customers. Let us be your induction heating and melting problem solver, equipment supplier, and repair facility. Induction melting equipment. Coreless and channel melting coils, furnaces, and parts. Various capabilities to service your needs. This steel shell furnace was shipped to us after a refractory superheat and runout. The furnace required a major overhaul, which included the manufacture of a new coil, shunts, and significant steel shell fabrication repairs. This customer operates a 64-inch ID Galvalume pre-melt coreless coil that we rebuilt and upgraded. The two major upgrades consisted of improving the insulation package to a full fiberglass tape wrap with an epoxy saturated coating. To add mechanical stability to the coil, we transitioned away from old-style hardwood coil supports to a synthetic G10 FR4 material, which provides a much higher temperature rating and greater mechanical strength characteristics. If you operate a steel shell furnace and the shunts are showing signs of overheating, thus burning the shunt insulation, we can help solve that problem. Shown on the left is a complete shunt redesign using special laminations for a high power density furnace. On lower power density insulations, we can just replace the electrical steel laminations on your existing shunts, saving you money over the cost of new replacements. We supply new, pre-fired castables for both box and steel shell furnaces, as well as shunt insulation. We can provide new and rebuilt power cables for all OEM designs with protective coverings selected for your application. Who we are. Thomas Carney, owner and general manager. Tom Carney has over 4 decades of experience within the induction industry. He began his career in 1974 at an entry-level position and progressed to sales manager for a division of an induction OEM. In 2002, Tom founded Induction Professionals, LLC, with the purpose of delivering high-quality induction heating and melting equipment to the metals processing industry throughout North America and the EU. Tom holds a Bachelor of Arts degree in Business Management from Hiram College. He graduated summa cum laude, Phi Beta Kappa. Michael D. Paul, Sales Manager. After graduating with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Business Administration from Washington and Jefferson College in 1998, Mike started immediately in an entry-level position as an induction coil mechanic. After 2 years, Mike was promoted to a regional sales management position with an induction OEM. He was responsible for covering the northeastern United States and later transferred to the Midwest. Mike joined Induction Professionals LLC in the sales management role in June 2011. Please contact Tom Carney or Mike Paul if you have any question about our products and services. We would also like to discuss any inherent issues that have never seemed to be resolved with your induction equipment. We pride ourselves on offering innovative solutions and problem solving based on common sense. We are here to help you succeed. Thank you for watching our video. Please contact us at your convenience. We are Induction Professionals.